Hi and welcome back. I'm Steve Lawless, CEO and lead trainer at Purple Griffon. If you've worked around project managers for any length of time, you will have heard them mention the word PRINCE2 and wondered what they were talking about. Let me explain what PRINCE2 is and who it's applicable to and why you should be interested in it. PRINCE is short for Projects in Control Environments. PRINCE2 traces its origins back to the 1970s in the United Kingdom, initially developed as a government standard for information system projects. PRINCE, then without the 2, provided a structured approach to project management. Over time, this methodology evolved and gained traction beyond the public sector, finding application in a wide variety of industries and projects. PRINCE2 was first launched in 1996 and has had 6 editions since. The previous update, the 6th edition, being in 2017. The latest iteration, PRINCE2 7th edition, was new in 2023 and seeks to respond to a number of changes which have taken place in our world and in the discipline of project management. PRINCE2 is a well-organised and adaptable method for project management. It offers a comprehensive set of guidelines and principles to help you plan, execute and oversee projects from start to finish. PRINCE2 divides projects into manageable stages, each with clear, defined goals, defined roles and responsibilities. PRINCE2 7 marks an exciting revolution in the realms of project management. As an enhanced iteration, the new version builds upon a strong foundation of principles and best practices. With a renewed emphasis on flexibility, PRINCE2 7th edition empowers project managers and teams to tailor the methodology to suit specific project contexts, ensuring a more precise fit between the methodology and project requirements. PRINCE2 7 equips businesses with a robust toolkit to efficiently navigate complex projects, capitalize on emerging opportunities, and deliver exceptional outcomes in an ever-changing business landscape. Its significance lies in its ability to bridge the gap between traditional structured project management and the dynamic demands of today's business environment, ultimately leading to an improved project success rates and organisational growth. What are the drivers to change PRINCE2? Well, for a start, there was the digital revolution. The speed of change, the rise of agile ways of working, and the increased volatility and uncertainty of all aspects of life, meaning that project management must evolve to meet these demands. Putting it simply, PRINCE2 has just become more agile, more flexible than previous editions of PRINCE. Now let's have a look at the 2 PRINCE2 7 courses currently available. Firstly, the 3-day PRINCE2 Foundation course, which comprises of 5 sections. Section 1 is about understanding the key concepts relating to projects and PRINCE2. Section 2 is about understanding PRINCE2 principles underpinning the PRINCE2 method. Section 3 is about understanding the importance of people in successful projects. Section 4 is about understanding the PRINCE2 practices and how they're applied throughout the project. And finally, in Section 5, it's about understanding the PRINCE2 processes and how they can be carried out throughout the project. Before proceeding to the practitioner course, you'll normally take the PRINCE2 Foundation exam, which consists of a proctored 60-minute closed book exam, consisting of 60 multiple choice questions, and the pass mark is 60%. The 2-day PRINCE2 practitioner course consists of just 4 sections. Section 1, understanding how to apply the PRINCE2 principles in the context of a project. Section 2, understanding how to apply effective people management in successful projects. Section 3, understanding how to apply and tailor relevant aspects of PRINCE2 practices, again in the context of the project. And finally, Section 4, understanding how to apply and tailor relevant aspects of PRINCE2 processes, again within context of the project. The practitioner exam is a 150-minute open book exam based on a scenario and consists of 70 questions. Again, the pass mark is 60%. So who should attend our PRINCE2 7 courses? The foundation level course is really applicable to everyone. Everyone who needs to understand the basics of project management. The practitioner level course is aimed at project managers and also aspiring project managers, and basically anyone who's involved in the design, development and delivery of projects. It's possible to combine these two courses and exams together in 1 week, and this tends to be how people like to do the PRINCE2 training. Or you could take the foundation course now and move up to practitioner in a couple of months. The choice is yours. Well, I hope that's helped to simplify PRINCE2 7th edition courses. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps us bring you more content. Thanks for watching.